Discover one of the world's most unique and fascinating ecosystems, the Galapagos Islands. Located off the coast of Ecuador, the Galapagos Islands are home to a diverse range of endemic species, many of which can't be found anywhere else on Earth. These islands have played a crucial role in the field of evolution, inspiring Charles Darwin's theory of natural selection. Today, the Galapagos Islands are protected as a national park, with strict regulations in place to preserve the unique flora and fauna for future generations. Visitors to the Galapagos Islands can experience the beauty and biodiversity of this unique ecosystem through guided tours and wildlife encounters.